Okay, I don't know if we actually got a video of that hive beetle just now. About the little
It's all come out of one piece.
honeycomb. There's one. So that is a little hive beetle crawling around inside the honeycomb. And they attack the honeycomb and they eat it all. We just saw some larvae. Where'd the larvae go?
One lowly bee.
Trying to hold on for the hive. What's all this yellow inside here?
Pollen.
Oh, that's cool. Well, the bees have abandoned this hive.
There's the last little bee.
Oh, last soldier.
Sting me today, please.
Well, probably ain't worth stinging you right now, huh?
Hmm?
Yeah, look at the
hive
beetle
beetles
inside
has gone berserko in there.
So that's probably why the hive collapsed or left, you think?
Population started to fall and hive beetles started to take over.
Oh, here's some hive beetle larvae.
Those are wax moth. That's
Oh,
wax moth
that?
you see there. Yeah, so there's like a
Wax
double
moth.
whammy going on in here.
So what did a hive beetle larva look like?
They're like grubs too.
Are they fodder?
So that's a wax moth in there. So the wax moths kind of just tunnel their way through.
Okay.
They're just kind of like tunneling all over. Little
Yeah,
one there.
like this little one down there.
Yeah.
And these hive beetles.
These are small hive beetles.
So do the hive beetles have their do they have their larvae in here?
So
What
I
about
can't
this one here?
So I haven't been able to tell the difference between the two different ones, between the hive beetles and the wax moths, because
The larva? You can't tell
I
the
had a
difference
hive that we lost to hive beetles the other day, and it was full of big grubs, like bigger than these guys.
Okay.
So
between- Like this one has, it's like it has two protuberances on the tail end. Like these ones are different from the other ones. But yeah. Well, everybody, that's hive beetles and wax moths, and Adam Russell here helping me to identify them on this collapsed
bees that
beehive.
tried to emerge and just never got out.
Oh, poor baby. All right.
That's a classic failed hive.
Yeah, classic failed hive. That's a little bit of science and perspective for y'all. Y'all have a good day. Go buy some local honey from one of your local beekeepers.